Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for the 20th of March, Friday. And today was definitely an interesting day. It was quite choppy, which is sometimes typical for a Friday. And yesterday's video we talked about a $29,000 plus trade that we took that we had been in for about 5 months. And it was all about patience and having that patience to be in the market and to wait on your trade. And today is a really good example of that because we took one trade in this entire set here. We took one trade, and that might be seen boring to some people, but that's the strategy that I have. That's the type of trades that I look for. To be able to get in a trade and realize it to success. A trade that is high probability of reaching a target. A trade that you're not going to have a high chance of getting stopped out on. Stop outs happen. It doesn't really matter what you trade. You're going to get stopped out from time to time. There's nobody in history that never gets stopped out of a trade. Maybe somebody who doesn't use stops, but eventually they take a large stop, which is the blowout of the account. You have to use stops to be a prudent investor. And, like I said, today's a good example of that. The market opened gap up, pretty much went sideways. It started to take off here, and, that's when we decided to get long as market's pulling back. Get long right here. And we were able to ride up, take a little profit off the table, but then we got dinged when it came back down. So it is what it is. We did make some money. We were up 2.5 points. It should have been a little more, but I would rather err on the side of caution. It was choppy today, but it is what it is. We were able to make a little profit. The market did keep going higher. It just didn't really give us an opportunity to get in on it. Like I said, it is what it is. As traders, we rely on our patience to be able to get in, our patience to manage the trade, but we also have to rely on our money management. If you don't know how to manage your trade properly, then it's really going to be detrimental to any success you might have. Being able to manage your trade properly means that you're able to make money at the end of a week, at the end of a month, and at the end of that year, you'll be well off. You can feed yourself and pay your bills and whatnot. Because if you're not able to do that, there's a big issue, and it's much deeper than trading. But in trading, that's what we do. We manage our trade, we manage our setups, and overall, we know that the system we're trading is going to be okay. Some trades are going to get stopped out early. Some trades you're going to be able to ride a little bit longer. But I'm never like a top tick, bottom tick type of person. I don't try to pick bottoms or pick tops. That's what losers do, for the most part. You can pick some tops and bottoms every now and then, and I would not even use those terms, tops and bottoms, because you're not picking the exact top tick. You're not picking the exact bottom tick. So I don't even use that terminology. But we showed in the trade yesterday, the yen trade, we were able to pick an entry. We got in. Was that the top? Hell no. The market had already fallen quite a bit. But was it a good entry? Yes, it was, because we didn't get stopped out. It went in our favor. And we got out at a very good level, and it was an area where price could chop back and forth. And we had a crude oil trade actually many months ago when it was falling. I'm not sure where exactly we got in, but I think it was above 80 somewhere, maybe above 90. I don't remember. But we rode it all the way down to 50. And, now look at it, it's in the 40s. Am I going to get angry because we could have made more money? No, I don't care. We made some money, we got out, on to the next trade. And that's what trading's all about. That's what it should be about. You make money here, go on to the next trade. You make money, lose money, doesn't matter, on to the next trade. That's what trading's about. And, it irritates me, people saying, you should block your emotions while trading. Well, that's a very good way to lose money. Why do you say that, Matt? Because we use our emotions for everything we do. If you didn't have emotions, you can't get dressed in the morning. You can't decide what clothes you're going to wear. It is very important part of who we are. So, if somebody tells you that, run. Because they're stupid. I don't care what degrees they have or where they're from. It doesn't matter. Because in the end, the market doesn't give a shit. The market doesn't care where you're from, what degrees you have, what school you went to, did you go to school, did you not go to school, can you even speak English? It doesn't care. It doesn't. It really doesn't matter. But anyway, hopefully that drove home the point. Hopefully it made sense what I was talking about today. Feel free to leave comments, feedback, suggestions. I encourage it. No such thing as a dumb question. If you have a question, ask. That's what I'm here for. A lot of people like to email me with questions, and that's cool. It doesn't matter to me how you ask. Like if you want to ask on a forum where everybody can read your question, or if you want to email me directly where only I can read it, I'm cool with that. I never give out names when I'm telling stories, and I do that for a reason, because if somebody says something to me and they don't give me their permission, I'm not going to go out and tell people, because they probably emailed me for a reason, because they didn't want other people to see. So anyway, with that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.